Hey there. We're going to talk about a topic I'm seeing a lot about. It's the topic of self care. And what is it? What does it mean to you? What does it mean to me? Well, that's what we're going to talk about. I'm going to basically give you ideas on taking charge of self care. It's kind of the Wayne Weathersby approach, right? So get ready to talk about something that's kind of got a lot of people talking. Actually, it's one of the top searched Google topics for this year. We're talking about self care. You guys might know me, I'm kind of all about putting in the elbow grease and getting things done, having a plan, doing it confident, being focused. And you'd be right. So we're going to dive in and unpack what self care means in Weathersby style. So, first, let's be clear. Okay. Self care isn't about sitting necessarily on the beach or in the mountains sipping on a fancy drink. Okay. It's about taking the reins of your own well being so that you can keep on tackling life head first. Right? Because life ain't messing around. It's tackling you every day. So you want to tackle your self care just like a tough job. So I want you to, you know, picture some stuff in your brain, right? Something as simple as fixing a fence or working on a broke down engine. You know, just slap a band-aid on it and call it a day, right? You roll up your sleeves, you grab your tools, and you give it all you got. That's self care. Well, self care is the same story. It's about rolling up your sleeves and doing what's got to be done to keep yourself in tip top shape. Don't get me freaking wrong or get sideways. I'm about kicking back and taking a breather after a long day. But self care is more than just a spa day. It's about looking after your body, after your head, and your spirit. So you can keep facing life's challenges like a champ. Let's break it down a minute, step by step. When it comes to your body, self care is all about feeding it right, moving it around, and then getting it some rest. Just like an old trusty hot rod or a tractor, right? It's got to have proper care. Body needs good fuel and a little TLC, and it's going to take care of you. What about your brain? What about your head? That's the big one. Mental self care is giving yourself a break when life's kicking you in the teeth. Life's like kind of riding one of those freaking bucking broncos that you see at the rodeo. Sometimes you just got to loosen the reins up, man. Take a breath and regain your balance. I mean, taking a stroll or maybe kicking back with a good book or just watching the sunset with a cup of coffee, right? Got to do what's good for the soul. I'm not talking about anything mystical, just good old inner fire. Soul care is doing what makes your heart sing. Mine, it's playing guitar. And now my new granddaughter, or helping out a friend, or getting together and sharing some laughs with family and friends, or diving into whatever passion sets your heart ablaze. That's the ticket. And do it genuinely. Nothing magical here. I'm just talking about the good old self care, Wayne Weathersby style. It's not about being soft and fuzzy. It's about taking charge and looking out for you. Number one, your body, your mind, your spirit. Just like you wouldn't cut corners on taking care of your kids, don't skip on taking care of yourself. Get out there, roll the sleeves up, and keep it going. You know, we have too many people that are having some tough times mentally. And a lot of it's just because, A, they didn't take time to take care of themselves. And sometimes we get bogged down when we really don't need to be bogged down, it's real simple. Sometimes we just got to take a step back, take a deep breath, close your eyes, take a walk. Very important to take care of yourself. I've been blessed to be a part of some forums and some groups of these amazing podcasters worldwide that, I've got access to some really cool ideas and people doing some groundbreaking stuff. Something as simple as breathing exercise. Believe it or not, that's a game changer. If you don't believe me, Google some of these things and try them and give them a good, honest try. It's amazing what a good breathing exercise will do for you, especially right before you go to bed. Anyway, I appreciate your time. I hope this helps. All I'm saying is you just got to take care of yourself. Make you a part of your priorities for the day. I appreciate it. Take care. Be safe. Sell a bunch. Find somebody and say something nice to them. Talk to you soon.
You're listening to the Productive Not Busy podcast, where our mission is to make you more money so you'll have less stress and more free time. It's all about mindset, attitude, and taking action. And your host, Wayne Weathersby, knows how to make that happen. He's negotiated and closed over $150 million in contracts while building businesses with proven success strategies that he wants to share with you. So if you're ready to make some real money, then let's get to it. Here's Coach Wayne.
Hey, we'd like to take a moment and recognize some friends of the show. So time is a value commodity, right? So why waste time and waste it fumbling with your watch? Mini Focus Watches, a friend of the show here, offers sleek and stylish timepieces that are both functional and fashionable. With features like durable stainless steel straps, precise quartz movement, and water resistant, Mini Focus Watches are perfect for any occasion, from a morning workout to a night out. Plus, with a variety of colors and designs to choose from, you are absolutely sure to find the perfect watch to match your style.
You've been listening to the Productive Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.